Today we'll be demonstrating image manipulation in FileMaker Pro. Many FileMaker systems will have a database of clients or perhaps users that feature profile pictures. And for those profile pictures to render correctly, they must fit a specific aspect ratio. This requires external software to manipulate the images to fit the needs of the particular system. With this tool that we've developed, you can manipulate images, crop, rotate, and zoom all directly in FileMaker. First, let's upload an image. Our first image is already in a portrait aspect ratio, so upon upload, no requirements are made. However, if we want to tweak this image, we can simply click Edit Image, and in here we can drag, drop, zoom, and rotate our image to meet the requirements that we would like. When we're done, we simply click Save. Additionally, you might want to force a user to meet these aspect ratio requirements. So if we upload a landscape image, we'll instantly land in the image manipulator where we have to crop this within a portrait aspect ratio. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at DB Services. Thank you.